Good morning, kids. As you know, today is our math class, and welcome back to you to our math class. And yesterday, as we have solved the worksheet, today also we deal with our worksheet, solving the worksheet, so that from worksheet we have taken the worksheet from the school. Everybody has taken the worksheet from your school. So now from that worksheet book we will solve page number 14. Forming 3-digit numbers. Study these examples. From the smallest and greatest 3-digit numbers without repeating the 3-digit numbers 3, 2 and 4. Arrange the digits in increasing order to get the smallest 3-digit number as 234. In the smallest, arrange the numbers in increasing order, means in ascending order 2, 3, 4. So it forms a 3-digit number 234. So arrange the digits in the descending order to get the greatest 3-digit number, that is 432. Greatest 3-digit number in descending order. Descending order means big number to small number. So if you arrange the bigger number first to smaller number, the number you will get using these numbers 432. Form the smallest and greatest 3-digit numbers without repeating the digits 5, 0 and 1. If we arrange the digits in increasing order, increasing means small to big, we get the number 0, 1, 5. But it is the 2-digit number 15. Yes or no? 0 will not be considered. So we interchange the digit 0 and 1. Now the smallest 3-digit number is 105. If we add 0 in middle, 1, 0 and 5, it will be 105. The greatest 3-digit number means from increasing order, it will be 5 will be the first and 1 will be here and 0 will be here. It is the decreasing order. 5 bigger number first and then smaller number, decreasing order. From as many 3-digit numbers as possible without repeating the given digits 3, 2 and 4. Look at this. You can change the numbers position. 2, 3 and 4. This number you have to use and make a 3-digit numbers. 234, 243, 324, 342, 423, 432. You can also change the position of the numbers. So you can change the position of a digit. From as many 3-digit numbers as possible with repeating the given digits. You can repeat it. Here before this you is not to repeat the numbers, but now you can repeat the numbers and make a 3-digit numbers, means 333. Have now 3 is repeated 3 times. So the number can be repeated. So now we will solve it here. Do. Form the smallest and the greatest 3-digit numbers without repeating the digits with repeating the digits. Now look at here, given digits. These are the digits given. Without repeating, first you have to form the smallest and greatest number. Smallest number means from small to big. 1, 4, 8. This is the 3-digit number from the given number which is not repeated. Greatest number. Now greatest number from descending order. It means decreasing order. 8 first, 4 will be then 1, because 4 is the greater number in this given number. Now smallest number which will be the smallest number with repeating? 1 1 1, 111. The greatest number with repeating? 8 8 8, 888. Okay, now here then again without repeating 3 digit number will be the smallest number. So 0 0 3 7 you cannot form, so insert 0 in middle. 3 0 and 7, 3 digit number. Now here bigger number 703. Okay, here with repeating the smallest number 303 will be the smallest number. 777, 777 will be the greatest number with repeating. 692, smallest number 269, 269. Now the greatest number, that is first will be the bigger number 962. Now the smallest number with repeating. What will be the smallest number? 2 2 2 2, 222 will be the smallest number. Now greatest number 999 will be the greatest number. Now smallest number without repeating will be 257 and greatest number without repeating is 752. Okay, now smallest number with repeating same will be there 2 2 and 2. What will be the greatest number? 777 will be the bigger number with repeating. Form as many as 3 digit numbers as possible without repeating the given number. As many as numbers you can make, that many numbers you can make here without repeating. Now I can make the number here. Okay, 7 1 2 you can make this already, and one more, whichever you can make. Two you can make again, which all you can make. Check and you can complete it, this both B and C in your workbook. So one I will show. So 4 5 4 0 etc. If remaining you can make it. Okay, you carry on. Form as many 3 digit numbers as possible with repeating the given number. Here also you can repeat the numbers and make it. Now you can repeat 885, 885, 115, 551, like this. You just repeat the numbers and you can make it. Some few I will make and show, other all you have to make yourself at your workbook, in your workbook. 366, 663. Okay, so on. Answer the questions. Which 3 digit form 0 to 9 without repeating will give the greatest 3 digit number? Now see, greatest 3 digit number is 999. With this is by repeating, but they have asked without repeating. It means 900. because 0 is this side, so we will insert it. Which 3 digit from 0 to 9 without repeating will give the smallest 3 digit number? Smallest 3 digit number. It means 0 to 9. They have asked you 0 to 9. You can insert 0 to 9. 987 will be the greatest number. 987. This one, first one answer. 987 will be the 3 digit greatest 3 digit number. Which 3 digit number from 0 to 9 without repeating will give the smallest 3 digit number? Smallest 3 digit number without repeating. 1, 0, 2 will be the number without repeating. It will give the 3 digit smallest number. Where will you place 0 to get the greatest and the smallest 3 digit number if the other 2 digits are 3 and 7? This is the question I will explain, and this will be given as a homework to you. Okay. Where will you place 0 to get the greatest and the smallest 3 digit number if the other 2 digits are 3 and 7? 3 and 7, these are the 2 given digits. That to get a greatest and the smallest number, you have to insert, where you will insert 0, you have to think it. Now 703 will be the greatest number, or no? No. 3 will be inserted in tens place, 0 in ones place. It means 730 will be the greatest number in this, and you are going to find the smallest number. This will be the homework for you all. You have to complete the homework. These all I have shown few examples, remaining all you are going to complete yourself, and don't just copy it. Listen carefully, understand it, and then go on writing in your workbooks and solve it with neatly and carefully. Till we will meet in our next class. Till that, take care and have a nice day. Bye kids.